Yes.
Now I told last time I told to start
Sir, could you post the results?
Acha, acha. हाँ. 1 minute. Results.
Sir,
हाँ.
I think the answer is right, sir, which I kept, and that's the doubt, sir.
Acha, that's why you are having doubt.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Only two.
okay, that question I'll just discuss over here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Let me check. 9th B on triangles. No. Acha. You
Sir,
are
I am not able to log in, sir. I have tried very much, sir.
Sir, I kept the test.
Did you call
question.
Rahul sir?
Yes, sir. I have called, sir. Like, sir,
Then what he told?
sir, he sent, sir, one video, sir. But, sir, I have login, sir, but it not, sir.
Then again you should tell no sir. By seeing the video also I'm not able to log in. You should tell no. Why?
Okay, sir.
Keep on tracking the this one Priyanshu. Till when you didn't got that, not a problem. Keep on asking. Nobody will tell no.
Okay, sir.
And if you if you're not at all you're getting, then you just call to Manoj sir. He will help you out with that thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Because because you can't give exams means what? Who will help means you should keep on asking the things how to join if you're not getting anything.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. If Rahul sir sent the video, if you're really you are not understand the video, again you call Rahul sir. If
Okay, sir.
again if you're not able to understand, is not clarify the doubts, then call to Manoj sir. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So that's why this time Sai Charan is not telling only. Ki, sir, post this thing, answer on this thing and all. Because he know he got less marks this time, right? Sai Charan?
Sir,
Huh? Sai Charan. Correct, no?
sir, I have the doubt, sir. I think it's right.
Understood. No problem. Getting less marks is not a problem, children. Get less marks, not a problem. What is there? Sometimes up down will be there, but you should know knowledge should be there proper, right? Proper knowledge should be important. Marks will come automatically if your knowledge will be there, right? Sai Charan. Correct, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Ups and downs
Yes.
ups and down will be there only all the time. You try to grasp the knowledge.
Sir,
Don't go. Say.
Sir, I kept that test questions triangle
What?
in the discussion tab.
Your voice is breaking, Sai Charan.
Sir, I'm telling that
What you're telling?
my is of test questions triangles, sir.
Your voice is breaking, Sai Charan. Leave. You just type in the chat box. Really, it's here. I can't able to hear you. Children, last time I told you to start. Which chapter I told, Nihar?
So statistic.
The statistics. Sir, before that, we have to discuss those two questions, sir.
Yeah, two questions were there. No, I would discuss those two questions. But what I thought, no, we'll start one very easy chapter. Which chapter you know? Which is the easiest chapter among all these maths? Which is the easiest chapter? Do you know the easiest chapter of the maths which are not read till now?
Yes, sir.
Which chapter is that?
Sir, Heron's formula.
No.
Sir, coordinate geometry.
No. I have not discussed only that chapter. I have not taught only in the class.
Sir, probability.
Probability is the easiest chapter. Okay.
Sir, what?
I thought it will take 1 or 2 days to finish this probability chapter. And what I'm going to teach that chapter only, and this will be helpful till class 10th. You will not have any doubts in probability. what I'm going to teach you, that is par the level of class 10th also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, I thought this last chapter was what with triangles we did. No, you might be bored with the proving sums and all. So if we again start with statistics, that is easy. But what happened? No, calculation will be more in that also. So what I'm thinking that one easy chapter will take so that we'll get patapat answer. I mean, fast you'll get the answer, all the answers. Okay, in that way we go off. All right, children.
Yes, sir.
So most probably concepts and all everything will get finished right now only. So from which is the question which is not there in class 10th also, no, you can do those questions like that. We'll just go all of you on the camera first. We'll start the concept, then we move to the questions
Sir, I
and all.
cannot answer all. Voice is breaking, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. Except Sai Charan, all of you on the camera. Sahil, then
Sir, can I turn it on after 10 minutes?
why you can't be ready before the
Sir,
class?
can you give me 1 minute?
Satvik,
Sir, I'm cleaning my tables after cleaning alone.
Sir, can you
Eh.
give me 1 minute? I'll come back.
okay, fine. Okay, I'm starting the new chapter, children. Just try to understand over here. Probability, I'll just do from some different thing only. This is direct questions, so I should go for SABC and CBSE probability concept. Children, try to learn the concept first. Okay. All of you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, first of all, what is you have read you have first time you are hearing the probability, right? 8th and all you are not having at all, right?
Yes, sir. It's there, sir.
Okay, fine. See, probability means chances of outcomes, chances of the outcome. What the chances? Okay. So this is the formula of probability. Suppose total outcome. Suppose in our class, how many students are there? Total eight students are there. Okay. So here, if you see, suppose I'm just giving an example. Here only you see there are 3 boys and 2 girls are there in a class. 3 boys and 2 girls. If I'm asking that probability of girl in a class, so you should use that. What is the probability of being girl in a class? So total outcome should be down. It means that total how many boys and girls are there? 6. Sorry, 3, 2 plus 2, 5 are there, right?
5 years. Sir.
And girls probability is what? That is 2. The 2 by 5. This is the chances of being a probability in a class. If I ask you, what is the probability of being a boy in a class? So what you should tell? Boy is 3. 3 divided by 5. Once again, I'm repeating. If you know the formula, we can do that. See, first formula, what I've written over here. Favorable outcome by total outcome. Total outcome is total number of observation. So total, how many students are there? 5. So denominator, we have written 5. And favorable outcome. This is nothing but, suppose we are asking girl, the number of girls, number of boys, the number of boys over here. So this is the formula to find the probability. That is favorable outcome divided by total outcome or total observation. I think these things are clear to you. If this formula is clear to you and this 2 example is clear to you. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you once repeat, sir, formula, sir?
See, numerator part, favorable outcome means what you are finding, the probability what you are finding in the question,
Okay.
that is your favorable outcome, and divided by total number of outcomes means total boys and girls, whatever it is. Understood?
Oh, yes, sir.
So this is the formula for probability, and you have to use to find the number of this probability over here. Next thing is, if you add both, suppose there are 2 things only, boys and girls in a class. Both probability, if you add, no, you'll get 1. Okay. Both probability, suppose you add, suppose probability of boy plus probability of girl. If you add, no, you'll get 1. This is also one important thing. Okay, children.
Sir, I didn't understand.
So if we add the total number of all outcomes, then we'll get 1, right? Like total,
Suppose in a class, boys and girls are there. Okay, we are finding the probability of boys separately and girls separately. Okay, children, we have find over here. This two is
Yes,
clear
sir.
to you. If you
Yes.
add this both the probability, your answer will be 1. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So probability of boy plus probability of girls should be equal to 1. Here there are two events, boys and girls. Suppose this example is clear or not, children? First you tell me this example is clear, then I'll
Yes,
move to
sir.
the.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, I'm erasing this part now. So this one is clear to you, and here also example also is clear. This first boys, girls, and one easy formula to find the girls. You know that probability of boys and probability girls probability is 2/5. You know, right now. But how this is the other way to find the probability of girls. 1 minus probability of boy. Why? Because we know this formula. If we know this formula, probability of boys and probability of girls is equals to 1. To find the probability of girl, can we do that? 1 minus probability of boy. Think
Yes,
over
sir.
it. Children, can we do like this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, we can do.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So till here it's clear. Now, the value of probability lies between 0 and 1. Lies between 0 and 1. It will not be more than 1 and not less than 0. It may be 0, it may be 1. It may be 0 or it may be 1, children. Okay. It should not be more than 1. It should not be less than 0. Okay. Is it clear, children? So value of the probability always lies between 0 and 1. Anyone give the example how probability becomes 0?
Sir, we can say the probability becomes 0 if it's impossible.
Yeah, when it is impossible.
So like
Sir,
Sir, when the total outcome is 0.
if there's 30 students, yes sir, if there's a 30 students in class and we say girls are 35, it's impossible, sir.
Acha, okay.
When the total
sir,
outcome.
and it is impossible when the boys and girls are 0, sir. Then 0 by 0. It's
0 by 0 is what?
Sir, we can also say it becomes 0 if the
sir means 0. Anything by 0 is not defined, right?
Anything by 0 is not defined. Yes, but here probability that not defined should not come. One should never come in probability, right? Sai
Yes,
Charan?
that's why it cannot be 0.
Yeah, only it can be 0 and between 0 and 1, or it may be 0, it may be 1. Is equal to is there? No, it may be 0, it may be 1. Any more examples, children? Yeah, what Sai Ritvik told, that is 35 students, that is also okay. That example is okay only. There is no possibility of
Sir,
being.
if both boys and girls are 0, sir,
Then what
then
you will
what?
find? Then
Yes.
what you will ask question? Then what you will ask the question? If boys and girls
0
both are.
by 0.
sir, if in the question they do not specify the total number of outcomes, then also it becomes
Like, sir, we want to find the probability of getting a natural number on throwing a die. Sir, so getting a natural number is 6 by 6.
Huh.
So, sir, answer is 1.
Yeah, correct. When it is 0, I'm asking when it is 0. First you tell me 0, then 1.
Sir, if we're rolling a dice and we can never get more than 6, like 7, 8, 9,
Yeah. So
or
probability
less
of,
than 1 we can't get.
yeah, probability of being less than 1 or probability of being more than 6 is not possible. In that case, probability is what? 0. Is it clear?
0, sir.
It's clear, Sai Charan? Sai Charan, it's clear.
Sir, no, sir.
Okay. Once again, I'm discussing if it's not clear. Suppose, you know, die.
Yes.
You are playing Ludo, no? See, if someone asks you, what is the probability of getting 7? What is the answer for this? See, total probability is 6, but 7 will come how many times? 0. So answer is what? 0. Understood, Sai Charan?
Sir means in the die, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
What I'm saying that in a die, total number of outcome is 6. 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4, 5, 6. And in the question they are asking that find the probability of getting 7 on a die. So what is the
Okay,
answer?
so answer will be 0.
0 by 6, that is 0. Huh?
Sir, how sir it can be 6 plus 1 or 4 plus 3?
See, that is for 2 dice, no? This is only for acha, dice you are saying, no? This is dice. This is only one in number. It's you can't take 1, 2 or 6, 2 like that. Understood, Sai Charan?
Yes, sir.
Either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 0, no? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
And if they ask in the same question, natural number. So all numbers are natural number only. The 6 by 6 answer is 1. Nihar, Shriyanvi, it's clear to you, Shriyanvi?
So there is one more
Yes,
example
sir.
for getting answer as 0, probability as 0.
Okay, tell.
So like if a match is going on and we have to score 6 runs in 7 runs in one ball, so that is 0 as possibility or probability.
Acha,
Can I tell one example, sir?
if it become no ball, then
Sir, can I tell an
That is
example?
different if there is only
Acha.
one ball.
Acha, fine, okay. Ha,
Sir,
tell.
can I tell? Sir,
Yeah.
if sir we have sir 5 red ball, reds ball in a bag, then
Huh.
the probability of a
Green ball
probability of
Green
a
ball
green ball
is
is
0.
always 0.
Yeah. If that ball is only not there in the bag, what probability is?
Yes,
0
sir.
only. Pulastya, it's clear to you, Pulastya?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Now, value of probability lies always between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. On this, if you play quiz, no, that will be very interesting, children. On this probability.
Yes, sir.
Next one
Today
is today how will play. The concept should be clear no first. Okay, let's make you play. If you first you understand the concept, the first part we have done only basic concept. Now, second concept I'm going to tell you right now. Second concept is kind coin thing. Okay. If one coin if you are just tossing, either it will come head or tail, right, children?
Yes, sir.
So total possible outcome is only 2. That is head or tail. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Next is 2 coin are tossed together. So total outcome is what? If 2 coin you are tossing, either both are head or both are tail, right?
Yes, sir.
Or first one will be head, second one is tail, or first one is tail, second one is head. These are the 4 outcomes.
Yes, sir.
Apart from this outcome, there is no other outcome can be possible.
Sir, but if it is either tail or head, sir, it will be 2 only, right, sir?
See, this is you are tossing at together, no? If both are tied tossing together, the possibility is this much only, no? This is one outcome, this is second outcome, this is third outcome, this is fourth outcome. So if you're tossing the 2 coins together, what will happen? Among all these 4, anyone will get, right, Sai Charan? Anyone will get, no? Can you get any other thing out of this, Sai Charan?
No, sir.
So their only possibility is how much? Only possibilities. There are only 4 possible chances are there. If you are tossing 2 coins. For 3 coins, what to do?
Sir, many possibilities are there. For 3 coins.
There are 8 possibilities. Okay. There are 8 possibilities when you are having 3 coins. So there is one formula also, children, here. Just try to understand the formula. How to find total number of outcomes. Suppose one coin is there. You should write here outcome to the power number. Means how many coins are there? Suppose outcome is how much on the coin? 2. How many coin you are using? Only 1. The answer is what? 2. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Second one, if you see, there are 2 coins. The outcome is how much? 2 only outcome is possible. And how many times you are tossing? 2 coins are there. The 2 coins are there. The 2 to the power 2, that is 4 outcomes. If there are 3 coins, then what you should write? 2 to the power 3. That is 8. Correct, children?
Yes, sir.
But next thing is how to get this 8 outcomes. How to get these 8 outcomes exactly? You'll get confusion over here, right?
Sir, HT whole cube.
See, there are 8 outcomes as there here. You can see here. Nothing is similar. All are different. You check here. So how to write this, that you should learn. Can you see these are three outcomes are there? Means one coin, second, third, fourth, 5. There are 8 outcomes, right? Different outcomes are there. So anybody can tell me how to write these outcomes without doing any mistakes?
Yes,
Sir, whole cube, sir.
Whole cube we did, 8 we got, no? 8 we got by the help of that.
Sir, for coin, we have to first immediately have to assume all are same.
Yeah, obviously all are having head and tail. All coins will have head and tail. That's it.
Then we have to substitute. Yes, sir. We have to substitute in each place.
Sir, I did not understand one thing.
1 minute, children.
Can we make a table for it?
sir.
Children, tell me how to know all these 8 outcomes. Easier
We
method.
can make a table.
Okay, after making a table, what you need to do?
We need to put like heads and tails, and then we have to put the I think the number of dices.
Okay, I'll just make, if you tell, I'll just make that one. No problem. If you know or not, you are guessing it or you know that. How is it?
I don't know. I just guessing.
Yeah, that is also obviously that is you should make table only. You should, some trick will be there to write the here, right? Write
Sir,
that.
for coin, there is like there's 3 possible outcomes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat question, sir, once again?
What I'm saying that there are 8 outcomes over here. You can see, no? Here.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
4 for heads and 4 for tails.
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Okay, first you ask your doubt.
Sir, why did 2 come, sir?
What, Saicharan?
Sir, why did the 2 come, sir? I did not understand.
2 is the outcome, no? 2 is the outcome.
Sir, can you ask sir question, sir? I got sir. My
Sir,
network.
your voice is breaking, sir. At middle.
Sir, my network connection is low, sir. Can you repeat question?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
sir. Now audible.
Yeah, tell what you're saying.
Sir, can
Sir,
you repeat question, sir?
What I'm saying that I've written all the 8 outcomes over here, no?
Yes, sir.
So how to get all these 8 outcomes, and there are all different outcomes. See, all different outcomes. There should
So
be
can
no.
I say?
1 minute, Saicharan, you are having doubt, no? Ask.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, there are 4 outcomes, sir. So we are writing 2 about 2, right?
Yes,
Means we are substituting, sir.
not substituting here.
No, sir,
Saicharan,
means we are
here, see the formula I've written here. If you're not understanding formula, just see here. Outcome on coin, what will be the outcome, Saicharan? 2, right? See everywhere 2 I've written, correct? Then power is number of coins. See, number of coin is 1. Number
Yes,
of
sir,
coin
one.
2, number by 3. It's clear now?
Yes, sir, no.
Yeah, now you ask children. Who want to say you are here? Tell me.
So can I?
Yeah, tell.
Sir, so first we have to assume that they're all same. So H. So same.
Okay.
Then we flip one coin. So same, different for both cases.
Okay.
Then same, different, same,
Okay.
and then same, different. Only 4 we need to memorize.
Acha, and then last 4?
So the 4 reflect.
Reflect.
Yes, sir. If we find out for one of them, we just reverse it, sir.
Acha. Okay, fine. If you are feeling comfortable with this, you can do that. Not a problem. See,
Sir,
my
One doubt.
Sir,
So because we have 2 possible outcomes, it's 2 cubed. But if we have like 3 possible outcomes, then it's that number cubed and that number and the exponent, right?
sir, and
which outcome you're saying?
So if
Shreyanvi?
we have 3 possible outcomes, then it's 3 cubed, right?
How 3 possible outcomes? Here is
So in
total.
general, I'm asking, sir, not in coin.
Acha, that is the suppose dice 6 is there, no? That's
Yes,
6 to the
sir.
power, yeah. 6 to the power something, yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, tell Sai Charan.
sir, here there is an order, sir. 4H, 4T, 2H, 2T, sir. 1H, 1.
That only I just try to make you understand that. Suppose how 4H, 4T is coming. See here, children. First of all, you can find easily how many outcomes are there, right, children? Just try to understand easily. There are total 8 outcomes. You understood how 8 outcomes are coming over here? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Then first
Yes, sir.
column, if you see, 4H, 4T are there. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Second column, if you see 2H, just half of it, 2H, 2T, 2H, 2T. Can you see that, children?
Yes, sir.
In the
Yes.
third column, if you see 1H, 1T, 1H, 1T, 1H, 1T, 1H. Now, if there are 100 coins also, you can write by without doing anything, right? Without any confusion. If there are 4 coins also, you can write, right, children?
yes, sir. 2H.
The first you make it half of it. What is the outcome you are getting? That you make it make half of it, and then you can write HT, whatever you want. You can just do that. All right.
Sir, means still it comes to HT, sir. Till 1.
Sir, I did not understand, sir.
See what I'm saying, that there are 8 outcomes, right, Priyanshu?
Yes, sir.
So in the first row, you write 4H, 4T. Okay.
Okay, yes, sir.
Second row, you write, second column, you write 2H, 2H, 2T, 2H, 2T, just half of it.
Okay, sir.
Next, 1H, 1T, 1H, 1T, 1H, 1T, like that. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Sir, this is only for 8, sir.
This is only for 8, and this is the maximum what they will ask in exam. They won't ask for 4 coins, 5 coins. If they ask also, you can do that, right? Correct,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Anyone having doubt, children, till now?
No, sir.
Now see, if you're second 2 coins of also, if you're having doubt, so what you do, there are 4 outcomes, right? So what you do, 2 times H you write, 2 times T, again 1 time H, 1 time T, 1 time H, 1 time T. So there are 4 outcomes. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
That is the easiest method.
Sir,
What happened?
sir, will any question come like the outcome is 8 and how many coins make the outcome?
Outcome is, yeah, you don't know how many coins will be there.
Yes, sir. Means if there is 50, sir.
The 2 to the
Then,
power n, you can write like that, right? 8 is equal to 2 to the power n, the n is equal to what? 3. Like this only, no?
sir, means I am telling that if any question come like that.
What is your question? Tell me.
Sir, means like 10 is the outcome, sir.
The
Then-
how outcome will be 10 in a coin? 10 is equal to 2 to the
There
power
are
n. This is not possible only, right?
16, sir.
16 is possible. 16 is equal to 2 to the power n, then is equal to 4. That's it, right?
Yes, sir. That's
Okay. Now this coin part got over, children. Coin part got over, completed. No further this thing concept on coins. Now there are simply two questions you can see here, children. Just try to understand, and if you're understanding, you just think about it. If which one you are not understanding, you tell me. Question number 1 and 2. See, this is question number 1. This will everyone understands. Question number 2, you may have doubt in B and C. You may have doubt in question number B and C. All of you just try, children, over here.
Sir, you have to solve sir this question.
Yeah. Don't see the answers. Try to do by yourself. If you're having doubt, you ask.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is FO and TO?
Favorable outcome by total outcome. I've written the short form. Don't write in exam. Nowhere you will get A for TO.
One by two. Sir, first question done.
First question is very easy, children. Second question you see once.
Yes.
Sir, here they wrote 1 by 4 and it's 2 by 4, sir, at the B.
First, you do all the questions, Sai Charan. Then you just ask me at a time. Okay. Don't ask me in the middle, please. Once you just see completely and ask me which all doubts you are having. If you're feeling this answer is wrong, you just tell me in the end. Just do complete this question first and second.
Sir, I don't have any doubt.
Okay, fine. Anybody else, children?
Sir, I'm not able to do this question, sir.
Which question, number 2 or first?
Means I'm not able to understand, sir, how to do.
The question you are understanding?
Yes, sir. Question I'm understanding, sir.
Okay, fine. You are having doubt in the answers, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody else?
Also.
Okay, I'm explaining once. Okay. See, first one, you are not having any doubts, Sai Charan, right?
Sir, first one also, sir, I'm having doubt.
What doubt in first one? On tossing a coin, what is the probability of getting tail? What is your doubt in this first question?
Sir, when we the probability we get is heads, tails, or tails or heads.
Here they are asking about tail, probability of getting tail only. Then why you are moving to head and all? If they are asking here tail, then why you are moving to head now? Now tell me, what you are having doubt here, Sai Charan?
Sir, means I'm not getting the way, sir, to answer. Means how did they do?
Okay, what is the probability of any? What is the formula of probability of any event? That you tell me. What is the formula we have? What is the formula we have?
Sir.
Huh? What, Sai Charan?
Sir, FO by TO.
Why? What is FO and what is TO?
Sir,
What is FO and what is TO?
Sir, can you read sir C1 question side? I
See,
can't.
at most one head. At most,
one.
yeah.
Okay. Sir.
Sai Charan, tell what is FO, what is TO? Don't tell FO TO. What we read before right now, that you tell me, Sai Charan. If you're not getting, tell me. I don't know. I'll just move further. Sai
yes, sir,
Charan.
I'm not getting.
See, first one I told you as this is favorable outcome and this one is total outcome. Understood, Sai Charan?
Yes.
Favorable means here how many tails will be there in a coin? 1. And coin total number of outcomes, which all outcomes are there? Head or tail? The answer is 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Now where you are having doubt?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Now question number 2, you try to understand now, Sai Charan. Again, if you are having doubt, ask.
In the third one, C part, I'm only getting 2 by 4, sir.
Okay. Now second part also I'm telling you, children. Wait.
Sir, I have done sir all questions.
Okay. Now Nihar will tell me question number C part, second C. And Priyanshu will tell question number B part. Okay. Okay, tell first Nihar, you tell me question number second main C1.
Yes, sir. Sir, so they need at least one head. So one head can come in.
No. This is at most one head.
Oh, yes, sir. So at most one head. So it can come in head, tail, or tail, head. That's why it's 3 by 4.
Tell once again. It will come in what?
Head, tail, or tail, head.
Head, tail, or
Tail, head.
tail, head. These three are coming into picture, right?
Yes, sir.
Both tail we can't come.
No, sir, because they need one head at least. At
At-
most.
Sir,
At-
but how will head come? It's at most one head, right?
Oh, yes. So then it should be 2 by 4.
This is not. This will not come.
That's why I'm getting 2 by 4.
2 by 4 is the
Sir,
answer.
what is at most? I didn't understand, sir.
What?
Sir, what is at most one head? I didn't understand that.
Yeah,
Sir,
that's. Shriyanvi, did you got Shriyanvi?
Yes, sir, I got it, sir.
What you got? What is the answer for this C part?
Sir, at most one head means, sir, one head is necessary, na, sir.
Exactly. Pulastya.
Sir, only one head is necessary.
Sir,
Plus-
only one head, sir, like, sir,
They need only one head.
See, right now, children, I'm just going to remove Satvik Notaki, and don't tell Satvik you are on the camera and all, okay? I'm just waiting from seeing from half an hour to you. You are not on in the camera, okay? Satvik. Okay. You are telling you are cleaning your chair, cleaning your table and all, something like that. Correct, no?
Sir, it is done, sir.
What is done? I'm going to remove right now. It's not
The
done.
cleaning is done. Sir,
Then what you are waiting for then, if cleaning is done?
I forgot, sir.
So Pulastya, can you tell me question number C? Nihar just missed that one. Okay. Tell me. Pulastya,
Okay.
tell me you understood or not? Question number third you can do. Second main C part.
Well, let me just think.
Shriyanvi, you understood? You tell me.
Oh, wait, I think it's 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay. How it is 1 by 2?
Because it's at most one head. So if there's no heads, then it's also counted.
So 1 by 2, how
Oh,
it
it's
is coming?
it's 3 by 4. 3 by 4. I didn't
Which-
see that.
Which 3 will come?
Head HT, TH, and TT.
TT, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the correct answer.
Sir, why TT?
See, you should know right now, children, what do you mean by at most and at least? Okay, so I'm just telling right now, try to understand carefully. This thing concept, 10th class also children, most of the children doesn't know. 50% of the children doesn't know. Okay. At most and at least concept. Suppose you ask your father 100 rupees, at least 100 rupees. So how much money he will give to you? At least 100 means he have to give 100 or more than that, right? Not less than that. It's clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It means that if you're talking about at least 2 head, it means either maybe 2 head will come or more than that. Correct? So more than 2 head is not possible at all. Correct? Children, this much is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
At least का मतलब है कम से कम उतना होना ही है या उसके ऊपर. Understood, children?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
All right. Now at most means maximum. If you ask 100 rupees, maximum at most 100 rupees. He may give 100 rupees maximum. He may give 50. He may give 25. He may give 0 also. He can't give also. That also can be possible, right, children?
Yes, sir.
So here what will come? At most one head means either it is one head or 0 head.
Okay, sir.
Now it's clear. He may give
Yes,
0 rupees also
Yes,
if you
sir.
ask at most. Now you should see in the outcomes now where 2 head is coming. Only here, right?
Sir, you have told, sir.
Huh? What?
Nothing.
Tell Priyanshu what you are saying. You told you are saying no.
Yes.
I never told it's wrong. No, I never told. Simply I just told you to explain, right?
Okay, sir.
I never told you are wrong or someone is wrong. So at least 2 head means 2 head will come, only 1 will be there. The 1 divided by 4. Second
Sir,
one
B
is,
will- right. Oh, okay.
what?
Nothing, sir. B1 is done.
Huh. So C part is at most one head. So if you see one head, which will come into picture, one head will come into this one, and one head will come into this one, and zero head will come under this. So your answer is 3/4. Hopefully now it's clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
So children, anyone having doubt over here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Satvik, it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
It's clear.
Most important is Sahil, because after finishing the question, he will ask something and all. Sai Charan, sorry. Sai Charan, not Sahil. Sai Charan. Sai Charan, do you have any doubts?
No,
He understood everything. Then also if something and all he'll ask of. Sahil, tell. Sai Charan, sorry. Sai Charan, tell if you're having doubt.
sir, no doubt, sir.
All right, fine. So now moving to the third question, what they're asking. On tossing three coins, what is the probability of getting? See, so many questions are there, children. So many questions are there. Just try to understand by yourself and get the answer. Same
Sir,
answer.
you erased, sir. Sir, you
Huh?
erased the answer, sir.
Yeah, otherwise it will become, no? Yeah, I'll raise the
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Sir, no head and only tail is the same thing, right?
What, Sai Charan? No head?
No head and only tail.
1 minute, let me write. No tail, right?
No,
And?
sir. No head and what? Only tail.
No head and only tail. No head means there is no head, means only tail. Yeah, both are same only. Yes.
Sir, first and second question are same, sir.
Yeah, first question, second are same. Sai Charan, see here. Die is single and dice is double. Die is a singular form of
Yes,
dice.
sir.
And I was talking about die only, not dice. Before what we discussed, no, that time.
Sir, at most, if we ask that at most one head, sir, and if we ask, like,
So what's the answer for at most 3 head?
At most 3 head. So it may be 3 head, it may be 2 head, it may be 1 head, it may be 0 head.
Sir, so I'm getting it's 1.
All one answer is
One.
correct.
Yes, sir, 1.
One only.
sir, at most means it's compulsory, right?
At most means maximum that or less than that also is can be possible. Yes.
So for at most one tail, the answer will be 1.
At most one tail.
Yes, sir.
At most one tail means it may be one tail or it may be 0 tail also. So where one tail lies, see? One
Sir,
tail lies.
means only one tail should be there, sir. 2 or 3 should not be.
See how I was writing, no? That in that way you write. Suppose at most one tail. It may be one tail or it may be 0. Sorry, one tail or 0 tail. So first you take one tail where it is one tail. Okay, there are 3 one tail. And where is 0 tail? This one. So answer is 4/8. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
In that way you should do. Do by cool
I
mind.
got all the answers.
So 4/8 can be like simplified to 1/2.
1/2 only you should write, not 4/8.
Sir, done, sir.
Oh, done.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Fine. I am discussing all the questions right now. Just match the answers. How many are correct out of this 7 questions? Okay. No head. What is the answer, children?
The no head is
1 by
Sir,
8.
1 by 8.
1 by
1
8,
by
sir.
8.
1 by 8 means no head means all are tail.
yes, sir.
So this is the only possibility for last one is the possibility for first and second question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can write here in bracket tail, tail, and tail. Same thing.
Second one is
At least one head. It means that first you write here at least one head means one head, comma two head,
Sir, 7 by 8.
Sir,
comma
7 by
three.
8.
It's a 7 by 8.
Sir, 7 by 8.
7 by 8.
So zero head is not possible.
Yes, sir.
So this is not possible.
Sir, tail can't come.
Yeah, this is not possible. The answer is 7 by 8. At least two tail means two
Sir,
tail
4 by 8.
Sir, 4 by 8.
Sir,
or
Yes,
1
4 by
tail.
8, which is 1 by
or
2.
At least two means I written wrong here.
So 2 tail, 3 tail or something.
Yeah, two tail or three tail. So two tail will be where two tail will be there. This is two tail.
4
This is
by
two
8.
tail. This is two tail. And
And
three
sir,
tail.
triple
EPT
tail.
also.
Sir,
Yeah.
but, oh,
Okay,
yes.
One no.
By 8,
This
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Yes. At most three head that you would got one.
1.
Yes, sir.
At most one tail.
Sir, 1 by 2.
Sir, yes, sir, 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Exactly two head.
Sir, 3 by 8.
So 3 by 8.
Sir, 3 by 8.
One.
So one doubt, isn't it 5 by 8?
Which one?
The
Sir.
at most one tail.
At most one tail. I have not solved. Let me check. At most one tail means
No,
one
sir,
tail.
sorry. I
or
didn't.
s-
Yes, sir. It's 4 by 8.
So one tail is here, 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 and zero tail is here. 4 by 8, 1 by 2 only.
Yes, sir.
Sir, all are
Sir,
correct.
at most 3 head means it may be 1, 2, or 3, sir.
Or
And
0.
Yeah, 0 also. I think it's clear to you. Means this is the top level questions of class 10th. Okay.
Sir, it is very easy, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
If
this is easy.
the children who doesn't know the at most and at least no, they will take 1 month to understand only. They think that at least at most I will not do. So this much you try to
Will
understand.
this chapter be a lot of weightage in 10th?
Lot of weightage. How much? What is the weightage it is in class 10th? Is not much. 3 to 4 marks.
Okay.
3 to 4 or 5 marks, sometimes 5 or 6 marks. So next we are talking about now die. If one die is there, what is the total outcome, children? 6 to the power 1, right?
It's 36.
36.
No, sir, for 2 dice it's 36.
Yeah, 2 die or dice thrown is that is 36. What I told the formula, outcome to the power number of dice, correct?
Sir, can you scroll up, sir? Dice, sir, it's written, sir. Dice. 2 dice.
1 minute. Here.
Yes.
So die is one single and dice if you're talking that is double. 2 dice are there. 2 die are there. Means die is singular form of die. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's it. So 6 to the power 1 is 6. 6 to the power 2 is 36. So how 36 is coming into picture, that also you understand here.
Yes, sir. Outcome by, sir, total number.
Huh. That is 36, but how to write this 36 numbers over here?
Yes.
Sir, first you have to write 1, then all the numbers with 1, then 2, all the numbers with 2.
So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6.
Yes.
Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
5, 6. Everything. This 36 you can write or not?
We can write.
Yes, sir.
You can write, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
How?
Sir,
Yes,
this is
sir,
easy.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
See, first start from 1 over here. This is clear.
Sir, no, sir. I thought that how it will come in that.
That I'm telling you. First you write 1 1 1 1 1 6 times.
Yes,
Then
sir.
you,
I understood this. Sir.
then you write 2 2 2 2 2 6 times. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Understood, Sai Charan?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Yeah. So then again, so many questions will arise on die. Then cards one is very interesting. Cards. If you are knowing about playing cards, this is very interesting actually. You have seen the playing cards. You're playing the cards at home.
Not playing the cards, sir, but I've
Sir, I'm
seen.
not allowed to play.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see, there are 52 cards. If you check the cards, there are 52 cards. 2 3 jokers will be there. Don't consider jokers over there in that. Here jokers are not considered over here. 2 3 extra cards you will get in out apart from 52 cards that are jokers. That is not allowed over here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So half of 52, 26 card and 26 cards. 26 cards are red and 26 cards are black. Okay. Is it clear, children?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Out of this 52 cards, 26 cards are red and 26 cards are black. Again, out of this 26 cards red, there are two types of red card are there. One is heart and second one is diamond. So heart is again 13 and diamond is 13. Okay. Again in black also card is divided into two parts. First one is spade and second one is club. Club matlab chidiya. We call in Hindi it's chidiya. Spade means hukum, we call it as hukum. So don't remember those names, that is not required. Here you just required heart, diamond, spade and what? Club.
Club.
So 13, 13, 13, 13. Understood? Two reds which reds card are come into picture.
yes, sir.
Heart and diamond. And black card, spade and club will come into picture. Now you are wondering about which all cards will be 13 over here. Which all cards will be 13. So starting from 1, you might be thinking 1 is not there in the whole card. Instead of 1, we are using ace, ACE, Ikka. We call it as what? Ikka, ace. And then, yeah. Then start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, 11, 12, 13 are not there in this. Jack, queen and king will be there. Okay. Jack, queen and king are there in the pack of card. And this jack, queen and king is known as what? Face cards, because you can see face in front of those cards. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
You can see face of queen. Jack matlab gulam, who is working under king and queen, no? That are servant of king and queen, that is jack. Okay, children? So jack number is given over 11. 12 number is given to queen. And 30 number is given to king. Okay, king is the topmost card. I mean, really, I'm just telling to remember. Now, which is topmost card depending on game to game. Sometimes ace is also there. Sometimes king will be there. So depends on game to
Sir,
game.
ace is 1, right?
Ace is 1, but some games what is there?
Okay.
No, ace is the top level. Some game it will 29 game. Jack is topmost. So don't consider which is topmost, top list. Just for your remembering purpose, I'm just telling you. That's it. How many cards are there and how to remember the things. Okay. So ace is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, queen and king. Where jack, queen and king are what? Face cards. Where you can see the faces. If somebody asks you, what is the probability of getting face card in a deck of card?
Sir, 52 by 3. Sir, 3 by 52.
No. Here you missed out.
What, sir? Can you repeat?
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
What is the probability of getting face cards in the pack of in the deck of cards? Deck means 52 cards. What is the probability of getting face cards?
1 by 4.
Sir, 3 by 52, sir.
Sir, 3 by 52.
Wrong,
So
wrong.
these cards will be
1 by 4.
again into red, black, hard,
Yeah,
and
C,
Sir,
yeah.
1 by 4.
1 by 4, 12 by 52. No, not 1 by 4 also. See, these three cards are
Sir, means
available.
3 by 13.
Listen, 1 minute, children. These three cards are available in all the 4 sections. All 4 sections you are not understanding. This one pair of card, I just telling about 13 cards. Correct, children?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So these cards are available in all the 4 sections. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So 3 4s are 12. 12
Sir,
divided by
12
50.
by 52.
Yes. So your answer is 3 by 26. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, but how, sir? They told the deck.
Deck of card. Deck of cards means in a pack of card.
Yes, sir. Then we need to do the 3 are only the Jack, Queen, King. So out of 50.
So this Jack, Queen, and King is available in heart also, Sai Charan.
Yes, sir.
And same thing is available in diamond also. Same thing is available in spade also. Same thing is available in club also. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So total how many face cards will become? Total how many face cards become? 12. Sai Charan is clear or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Huh?
Sir, I did not understand, sir. How 12?
See, you count in the write in the notebook. 3 of heart, 3 of diamond, 3 of spade,
Oh, yes,
3
sir.
of
Yes, sir.
club.
11,
Huh?
12.
12 becomes no.
Sir,
Still doubt.
sir, totally there are 13.
Sir, like sir, total there are 52 card. So 13 set there are 4 set are there.
Yeah, 4 sets are there. This ace to king, there are 4 sets. All the 13 cards are available in heart, diamond, spade, and club. All 4.
So in 13, 3 face card. So in 52, 12 face card is there.
Understood, Sai
Sir,
Charan?
all are 4 in number.
All are 4 in number means no, all these 3 cards are available in 4 sections.
No, sir, I'm telling that all are 4 in number in the sense there are only 4 cards of it in the whole pack.
In the whole pack, 4 cards are there. Which
4
cards?
cards of queen, 4 cards of queen, and 4
Yes,
cards of-
exactly. What you can see here, no? What you can see here down, this down part, what you see from there, all these cards are 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, all these cards, not only, all cards are 4, 4, 4. Yeah, correct. Anyone else having doubt? This is very interesting, actually, card part.
Not
If you-
able to get it.
Not able to get it. Which part you're not getting, Sahil?
So how the probability of getting face card is?
12 by 52.
Yes, sir.
अब यहाँ पे देखो इस
So
heart
12 by 52 can be written as 7 by 3.
7 by 3. 7 by 3. That is more than 1, no? 7 by 3. See here, Sahil, try to understand here. What I'm trying to say is, in heart, how many face cards are there? 3 cards are there. Sahil.
Yes, sir. That I got it. How we
Here,
are
here.
getting 52 by
12 by 52.
yeah 12 by 52.
Then any more
Sir, I
doubts?
did not understand, sir.
Huh? You didn't understood, Sai Charan.
Yes, sir. How 12?
Sai Charan, I told 3 plus 3. I told you to add also. No, you didn't added that.
Sir?
I
No,
told
sir.
you to add, no, all the 3, 3, 3, 3. You told you understood. Okay. Anyway, I'm just telling once again. See here 3, Sai Charan. Is there face card in heart? Here also 3 are there.
Yes,
Here-
Sir, you mean 4, 4, 4, 4. Add 4 cards 3 times.
Yeah, that also we can do. But I'm asking face card now, that this is more easy to tell them. 3, 3, 3, 3. Because 3 face cards are available in each set, right?
Yes, sir. Now I understood, sir.
Then tomorrow don't tell again.
3, 4, 12.
After understanding, you will ask the same doubt again and again. Till now, I'm teaching you 3 months, no, Sai Charan. I don't know you are understanding, asking, or you're really not understanding. Any more doubts? Still, children, still here?
No,
No
sir.
doubt,
Sir,
sir.
thank you, sir.
No, sir.
What? Thank you, sir. Nihar, you want to leave?
I thought you ended the class.
You thought into the class. What you will do after the class, Nihar?
Nothing, sir.
Because after the class, you will be put, say you want to go immediately. You are just waiting for sharp 9 o'clock. Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Leave, sir. Huh? No quiz, sir. Nothing like that. Huh? Immediately you want to go. Huh?
Sir, do we have quiz today?
There's no time for quiz. That's why I was telling.
Sir, there is time, sir. We can play quiz for 10 minutes.
Sir, I
Where-
have no problem. We can play.
See, but on which part you will play? Which topic? The same topic.
Any topic.
Probability, sir.
Probability.
The probability is okay.
Sir, all the questions of probability in the quiz website is about dice and cards.
Coin also will be there. That what
Yes,
is
sir,
the
but if I search specifically for coin, it's not coming, sir. Only dice and like a mixture of everything. We didn't go over dice, right?
okay? Chalo, anyway, 9 o'clock happened. In the next class we'll discuss because
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
okay. The next class we'll play. We'll read some more thing and we'll play that. Huh?
Thank
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, children. Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Nihar knows before only.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you. Leave children. Priyanshu, Sai Charan, Satvik. Sai Charan, you want to ask something?
No.
Huh? No. Shall I close the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.
Thank